girl. La 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 la. What y'all know about that song?
I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into it.
Okay, so I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I slept with this cloth on it last night so that it would drain the water out of it, so it wouldn't be too much to blow dry this morning. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair in 2 sections. So right down the middle, I'm gonna rubber band one side off, scrunchie, just to get it out of the way. And then I'm gonna be spritzing my hair with some heat protectant. This is the Sebastian Trilliant. I've been using this for years, and when I say for years, I mean since I've been out of cosmetology school, and I graduated in 2011. So I love this stuff. It smells great and it makes my hair feel light. Really focus on the ends here. Just kind of brushing through my hair right now to kind of get the kinks out before I start blow drying. I'm gonna fast forward through this part, okay? So
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'm going down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you out, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time. It's true. I wanna be down. Got to be down with what you're going. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. Oh yeah, I wanna be down. Yeah. Down with you, yeah, yeah. Wanna be down, yeah, yeah.
I need to plug my straightener in, but this is the length. I'm going to be putting some Chi Silk infusion in my hair. I'm going to start with this. If I feel like I need some more oil in it, I will put some argan oil in it because my hair is pretty dry right now. But I'm going to see how this feels in my hair first. I don't want it to be weighed down. I want my hair to be very lightweight and still really silky. So I'm going to start with that first. Oh yeah, my hair is dry, y'all. It soaked all of that up. Like, oh, it was like, oh, those ends are so bad, y'all. The ends are bad. This is my straightener. It's a Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro. I've had this flat iron since cosmetology school. I've been growing my hair out since 2000 and I would say 11. I cut it really short. I had an A-line cut. That's when like A-lines were popping. Okay, everybody wanted an A-line short haircut, and I was in cosmetology school, so cutting your hair was like the thing to do. I hated my haircut. I did everything possible to grow my hair as fast as possible. Vitamins, drinking water, switching my diet up, and all of those things do matter, but a big key factor in growing out your hair is just don't do anything to it. Leave it alone, because the more you mess with your hair, the more it's just gonna take forever to grow. Try to use like a leave-in conditioner or a hair mask once a week. Take vitamins, hair, skin, and nail biotin. All of that really does work. Make sure you're drinking your water. Make sure you have a healthy diet. All of those things are key factors. Like what you put into your body is what you're going to get out. So if you put good things in your body, you're going to get good results. Your hair will grow. Your skin will look beautiful. Jesus Christ, the smoke. Ooh, it's smoking. Protective styles are cool. But don't do anything that's too tight on your scalp. Make sure you are letting your scalp breathe. Don't put heat to it. Try your best not to put heat to it. Just let it do its own thing. Don't mess with it. But yeah, leave your hair alone. It's not taking that long though, so that's cool. This is probably like the worst time to be straightening my hair because it's so hot in LA right now.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I, didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows almost doesn't count. Almost heard you saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. But you can't get to heaven, half off the ground. Everybody knows almost doesn't count. I can't keep on loving you one foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation of heart that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I could give you and what you came here for.
Yo, I forgot how much my arm hurts from doing this. I mean, like, dang. My arm hurt. Whew. One more section to go, though. Almost done.
Gonna find me somebody, not afraid to let go. Wanna know how to be that kind of man. You came real close. Every time you build me up, you only let me down. Everybody knows, almost doesn't count, almost doesn't count. Everybody knows, yeah, yeah.
So we are done flat ironing my hair. Lastly, I'm just gonna take some some more of that Silk Infusion, and kind of rub it through my hands here. And I'm gonna put it on my roots to lay those flyaways down. And I'm just gonna kind of rub it through my hair to make it feel silky smooth. Ooh, and it does. It feels so soft, you guys. And this stuff smells incredible. It smells really, really good. Hey, y'all. Your girl is back, okay? Straight hair don't care. It's been a minute, y'all. 2 years of not straightening my hair, so it's a little different. It's a little different, but in a good way, in a good way. But hey, girl, where you been at? Alexa, play Eve. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? La 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 la. What y'all know about that song? Y'all don't know that song. Y'all don't know that song. But hey, ooh, ooh. Looking real cute. It's so soft, you guys. Ooh. Even those ends. Yes, get into it, baby. Ends are soft. But I ain't done yet, y'all. Give me a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. I had to come back on here with some makeup for y'all to see everything tied together, you know. Had to be looking right for y'all. This is my hair straightened, you guys. It's been a cool minute. It's soft and silky thanks to that Silk Infusion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button one time for your girl because it's free and it helps me, okay. And also, if you're not already subscribed, my name is Anissa Dale, and here on this channel we discuss everything from motherhood, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. See you next time. Bye.